Selling your home can be a swift and smooth experience with the right approach. Start by decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Buyers need to envision themselves living there, so remove personal mementos, family photos, and quirky collectibles. Go room by room, setting aside items you don't frequently use. Organize closets and cabinets to showcase ample storage space. A neat and neutral environment allows potential buyers to see the true potential of your home, making it more appealing to them. First impressions are crucial, and the exterior of your home is the first thing buyers see. To enhance curb appeal, start by tidying up the yard, mow the lawn, trim bushes, and remove any dead or overgrown plants. If the front door or porch looks worn, a fresh coat of paint can make it pop. Simple touches like a clean doormat, easy-to-read house numbers, and potted plants by the entryway can create an inviting atmosphere, grabbing buyers' attention immediately. Minor issues like dripping faucets, squeaky doors, or chipped paint can signal neglect to potential buyers. Addressing these details shows that you've maintained your home and are serious about selling. Walk through your home as if you were a buyer, noting any red flags or potential questions. Replace burnt-out bulbs, consider updating outdated fixtures, and ensure all light switches work. A quick coat of neutral paint can refresh a room, appealing to a wide range of tastes. Staging your home is about creating an inviting environment that helps buyers visualize their future life there. Rearrange furniture to maximize space and natural flow between rooms. Use simple accents like fresh flowers, tasteful artwork, and cozy throw pillows to make spaces feel welcoming. Enhance lighting by opening curtains and blinds to let in natural light, and use lamps to brighten dark corners. Effective staging doesn't have to be expensive or elaborate, but it can make a significant impact. Most buyers start their home search online, so quality photos can make or break your listing's success. Bright, clear images that showcase your home's best features will attract more clicks and showings. While smartphone cameras have improved, a professional photographer knows angles, lighting, and editing techniques that truly capture your home's potential. Schedule your photo shoot on a day with good weather for natural light. Prepare by removing clutter, turning on all lights, and opening blinds for a clean look. Setting the right price is crucial for attracting buyers and speeding up the sales process. If your home is overpriced, you'll likely see fewer offers. Research comparable homes in your area that sold recently, paying attention to square footage, neighborhood, and features. Consider professional input or local real estate market data to find the sweet spot. Stay flexible and be prepared to adjust your asking price based on feedback. Pricing competitively can lead to multiple offers and a faster sale. The more accessible your home is for showings, the quicker you can sell. Set a showing schedule and keep your home ready to go on short notice. Ensure it's tidy, with counters cleared and laundry stowed away. Offer virtual tours for buyers who prefer to view the home online before committing to an in-person visit. Secure personal documents, jewelry, and other valuables to maintain peace of mind during showings. Being prepared can make all the difference. Traditional commission structures can feel daunting, but a flat-fee MLS service like Listlean connects you to a massive network of buyers and agents, while potentially saving you thousands in commission fees. Choose the right package that includes the marketing and support you need. You stay involved with setting the price, managing showings, and negotiating, which can speed up the process. Even if you handle much of the legwork, reputable flat-fee services often offer professional support or guidance. Preparing your home for a quick sale involves creating a strong first impression, both online and in person. By decluttering, enhancing curb appeal, making small but meaningful improvements, and pricing strategically, you position your home to capture buyer interest right away. Pair these preparation tips with a cost-effective, flat-fee MLS solution like Listlean to streamline the listing process and potentially save on hefty commissions. A little upfront work can make all the difference, helping your property stand out in a competitive market and leading to a faster, more rewarding sale. Good luck, and remember, every small tweak you make now could be the deciding factor for that potential buyer.